Hi, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to copy a part of your newsletter in MailerLite. It's a simple process, and you can follow along by clicking the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, click on the Campaigns tab, then select either Create New or Edit Existing. For this tutorial, we'll edit a draft, so click Edit, then select Edit Content. You'll now be in the drag and drop editor. Click on the section of your newsletter you want to copy, and a duplicate button will appear. Click it to copy the block. The duplicated block will appear below the original. You can then move it by dragging the block to the desired location. Now you know how to copy parts of your newsletter. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. We're so thankful you watched our videos. We appreciate your time and support.